Somebody else can sit.
I have more blankets in my car. Princess
Middle
and
of
training blankets.
middle of the game. No. Wait till the.
My kid's not in yet. No.
So he's telling me how to shut it down.
Get it forward.
Good girl. Way to think, Lauren. Way to think.
Good job, Alexa.
Let's get in there. Way to play, Alexa. Be aggressive. Good girl.
Good job, Lex.
Come on, Bo! Hustle, Bo!
Cut her off.
Good girl.
Rosie, pass the ball, honey, okay? Stay with it.
Good defense. Oh, what?
Oh, wow.
Terrible.
Wow. About that.
Make her play
Come on,
the ball,
Poe.
Ralph.
Beat her, Poe. Get Rosie. Get there, Red. Get there, Red. Way
Way to go, Lauren.
Come on, Lexi, you gotta go.
Look for red. Look for red.
Good job.
Good job, Lauren.
That's it.
Go, Red.
Go, Red.
Hustle, Greer!
Good girl, Greer.
There you go, Princess. Come on, Peyton. Okay, go somewhere else. Boot it. Go, Peyton. Good.
Set her up, Peyton.
Oh, Peyton.
Good try, babe.
Good job.
Come on, Bo, find it. Find it. Go, Peyton.
That's
Good
it.
girl.
Smart. Come on now. Put it on, Pete.
Be ready. Set up, be ready. Good
Nice
girl.
job,
Get there.
Hey,
wait, Rosie. You're offside. Onside, Rosie. Come back onside.
Go, Peyton, go! Hustle!
There we go.
Get back, defender. Go, Pete, go!
Attack it.
Good job, Alexa. Tackle, Sid. No, we have a shot at it.
It's all right, girls. It's okay. Come on, Em. Good, Emily.
Space. Use the space.
Ouch.
Nice. Fight for the ball.
Good, Emily.
Come on.
Hustle!
Good job, Mary.
Good job, Mary. Oh,
That's all right. Good job.
oh, take it.
Get in there. Turn around now. Hard. Quit feeding her. Good throw, Peyton. Get on it.
Look for red.
Look for Red. 5 feet.
Make your passes count,
Good
girls.
job.
Go,
Rosie.
Come on, Rosie!
Rosie.
Get aggressive, girls.
Nice.
Like that.
Go. Good ball.
Awesome, Peyton.
Good ball.
Nice
That's
kick.
us. That's us. That's us. Get a foot on it. Quality passes, girls.
Watch the middle, Paul! Watch the middle!
Good job, Sydney. Good job, Sid.
Good job. Wow, Emily. Awesome.
Good job. Go, girls.
Go, Rosie!
Come on now, pass it.
Come on, Em!
That's us. Come on, Red. Follow it. You gotta follow it. Stay with her. Stay on the ball. Stay on the ball.
No. In there, Mary.
Oh. Send it outside. Send it outside. How are you? Hey. That's you. Send it out. Go, Alexa. Go, Alexa.
Get on, Rosie.
Give him go. Get him. Come on, Lex. Go, Lexa.
Cut it off, Peyton. Cut it off.
You guys played a lot of games so far?
No.
You're never cold. I remember that other game. So I kept calling Rosie Alexa.
Clear your grass, Sid. Clear your grass.
Top still in the air. See what the wind's doing. Come on, girls. Go to the ball.
Pick the ball, girls.
Go. Come on, Alexa.
Cut it off, Peyton. Good job, Alexa.
Go. Come on, Poe. Get it, Poe. Get it.
Come on, girls. Don't let him do that, guys.
Look alive, girls.
Attack it. Attack it. Attack it. Attack it.
Go.
Get on, girls. No. Get out of there.
Attack the ball.
Go to the ball,
girls.
Go to the ball.
Come on, Em.
Good job, Emily.
We're living dangerously.
Out. Move it out. Cover back. Boot it.
Come on, Poe. Go.
Boot it.
Go, Peyton. Cover. Go.
You got to run, Poe.
Don't let her push yet. Get her.
That's a good fight. Good job, Lauren.
Go.
Red on the ball.
Get the ball. Come on, Rosie.
Kobe. Come on, Kobe.
15-year-old when I see one. Nope. And it wasn't just like the kids in our league that are tall, the tall skinny
Solid
ones.
passes, girl.
She was big.
All the way around.
Good ball, Sid.
The last game of the game before that some girls soccer.
Yeah. Get back over here. Get over here.
Go, Peyton, go! Get it, Peyton, get it!
There you go, Peyton.
Oh, in the box.
Good kick.
Peyton.
Go, girls,
Go, Rosie. Go, Rosie.
Keep it, Rose. Hustle! Good job, Poe. Nice kick.
Handball.
Come on, girls.
Go, Maggie.
Go,
Stay there, Maggie. Stay with her, Maggie.
Stay with her, Maggie.
Crush the
Stay
ball.
with her.
Crush the ball. Crush the ball.
Yes.
Good job, Maggie.
Good girl, Maggie.
Again.
Thank you.
Good hustle, Emma.
Good job, Emma.
Good job.
Don't let them play dirty.
Big.
Let's go, Maggie.
Nice ball.
Come on, Brett.
Shut her down.
Run, Sid.
A runner, babe.
To the ball.
Grass got her.
Really?
Uh-oh. Get it. There, Mary. Good job, Mary.
Go, Brooke. What's that stuff?
Go, Maggie. Come on, Maggie. Go, Max. Go, Maggie.
Go play.
Good Sydney.
Come on, Max. Move up.
Let's go, Maggie. Go, Maggie. Go.
Good job. Good job. Pressure, Mag.
Skip got one spot marked out. Stick the ball on.
I'm like, seriously?
Get under it.
This girl.
Good ball.
Good kick, Sydney.
Go, Marwa. Yep, they're aggressive, babe.
No, don't take. No. Oh, good, Mary. Cut that thing.
Good job, Mary.
They don't start showing.
Somebody behind you. Emily.
Somebody fall out.
Stay with her. Watch.
Stay with her.
Clear it, Mara.
Come on, Em.
Attack.
Come on, Kobe.
Hold it up, ball.
Go, Brooke. Go, Brooke.
That's it.
Look to your right. Look up.
Pass.
Come on, Maggie, be ready.
Knock it down. Knock it down.
Maggie.
Behind you, Maggie.
You got it, Mag.
That's us. Good job. Come on, Red.
Go, Hayden. Live.
Come on, Mags.
Go, Hayden, go.
Get out of there.
Go, Maggie. Come on, Mag. Come on, Maggie.
Get it.
Job, Sid.
Good job,
Sydney.
Babe, come on.
Good job.
Watch stuff alone right here. Watch
Go,
this.
Maggie.
Come back in front of her.
Way to go, Red.
Red, get it out.
Come on, Maggie.
Come on, Brookie, pressure up.
Good job. Good job, Brooke. Go, Brooke. Go.
Good fight, Brooke. Good fight.
Come on.
That was it. Good fight.
They are so handsy. See?
It's unbelievable. Let them just shot. It's ridiculous.
Ball, Kobe.
Turn around.
Offsides.
Is that what he called offsides?
Yeah.
Nice kick, Kobe.
Be ready. Let's go.
Get there, Brooke.
Go up.
Good, Em.
Good try. Good try.
Get open.
Oh. See, I know. Every time we're around these girls,
Come on, team.
I always forget.
Good job, Marwa.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
come on.
Come on, Red. Come on, Red.
Go,
Fight, fight, fight.
Yeah,
Come on, Maggie.
Mary. Good job.
Going on, Mary. Pick it up, Mary.
Get under it. Big kick.
Come on, Mags. Come on, Maggie.
Wow. Wow. Fight for it.
There you go.
Good job.
Come on, Emma. All right, babe.
Yeah.
Go. Come on.
Go.
Red, don't stop.
Don't hesitate, girls.
Good job.
take it,
Go, Emily, go.
Go,
Oh, my gosh.
Watch the person here.
Backside. Backside.
Watch out, Maggie.
Go, Marwa.
Up, pass up.
That's it.
Go.
Quick the ball.
Give it back to us. Oh.
It's almost good fight.
It's okay. Out.
Good job, Marwa.
Yeah, take it.
Go, Emily.
Take it, Emily. Come on, Em.
Are you kidding?
5. She's got a boot.
Away from him. Far away.
Elbows in the back. Wow.
Hey,
Go to the ball, Marwa.
good.
Good job. Come on.
Go, Maggie, go.
Quick the ball.
That's us. That's Red. That's
They're all
Red.
coming. They're all coming.
Go in.
I never saw it.
Don't give her a straight shot at it.
Way to go,
Good job,
boys.
Marwa.
Stay with her.
Come Emma. Go, Brooke. Go, Brooke. That's it. Good fight, Brooke. Pass. That's it. Go. Come on, Em. That's it, Emily. Get in closer.
Don't run into each other. Talk.
Pass.
Go, Marwa.
Stay with it.
Oh, come on. Get that ball in the air, Sid. Good job, Kobe.
Good job, Kobe.
Don't be cute down there. That's ball. But hey, you offended me now.
So much rough. They were good just as hard as they do.
Hey, it's all fair. See, you get busted.
Oh!
Hey, come on, Raph. Elbow on the back. Good job, Emma. Good job, Emma.
Come on, Emily! That's right in front of you.
Come on. Wow. Really?